Welcome back to another Take 5 workout. Today we're just doing a practice round. So it's gonna be 5 1-minute rounds with 15 seconds in between each. And we're just gonna pick a skill to practice. So it's gonna be more laid back session, but choose skills that you wanna work on and take your time and have fun with it. Let's get into it. So the first one, let's just work on an alternate leg skill. So you can either do running in place, mummy kicks, or forward shuffle. You could do like a heel toe skip, or you could work on all of them.
Again, you don't have to jump for the full minute. If you get tired, take rests as needed.
Five seconds. Keep going. All right, quick 15-second rest. Next thing I'm gonna work on is a crisscross. So if you wanna do crisscross, go for that. But I'm gonna do a reverse crisscross because I really am not good at that. So I wanna start working on that. But first, start off with a regular crisscross. If you're gonna work on that, make sure you're getting that good kind of hug down towards the pockets, getting that rope to clear your shoulders, almost flicking that rope out to the sides, and then pulling it back. Don't get too wide with the arms. Boom. And just trying to groove it, hitting the same motion every time. All right, let's see if I can get some of these reverses. Oh, it's sloppy. Oh, quick breather whenever you need it. Ow. Oh. All right, for this next one, let's just work on tempo changes in just basic single unders, kind of like a boxer skip. And let's just start out nice and easy at a nice slow pace. And then we just want to gradually, slowly bring the speed up. Keep bringing it up. We want to find more gears. That's what this drill is all about. Until you find a max speed where you're comfortable that you're not going to trip. And then maybe push it just a little bit more and then start bringing it back down. You don't have to go down to your slowest. Bring it back down to like a medium pace and then start pushing the level edges back up and push the edges of that out of controlness. So you want to try not to trip, but increase the speed. And back down. Nice job. Nice. All right, next one. Let's go from singles to double. Or you can choose a different skill if you need to. But like, let's work that speed up and then hit a double under and then try to land right back into singles. And then hit a double, right back into singles. So every fourth jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. So this is gonna start building that tempo control for you. Let's do more singles. Just do a few singles, 5 to 10 singles, and then just try to get 1 or 2 doubles, and then just get right back into those single unders. The rope control, jump control. Yeah, it's turning into a workout, isn't it? Sounded it was like it was gonna be easy. I'm gonna work on a side swing cross, I mean. So side swing to cross. Side swing cross. Of course, if you can't do any of these skills, pick what you want. If you want to practice side swings and you want to work on double side swings and maybe moving with it a little bit, you can practice that. If you got forward side swing crosses down, try reversing it. Been working on those too. That's a fun one. Skills are all about learning the pattern, getting the muscle memory and the technique of the arm positioning down and just replicating it over and over again. And that's why people become really successful and you trip less and less. Woo! And that's the practice session. Thank you for taking 5 with me. I will see you in the next one.
And if you're in the zone, take on one of these workouts next.